on the first table at the Houston Fest, just like that, because of the deal.
And what about this makes you buy it?
It lifts up, and I have back problems, and everything looks just so easy to cut, and the fabric won't slip, which is a problem I have with the regular ruler and acrylic, the regular matte and acrylic rulers. So slipping is a lot, especially when I reach over to 24 inches. So the fact that I can get this closer to me and cut through more layers means that I can sell more strips of fabric in my bundles and in my kits faster, and that means money. Time is money, and that means I can get it done faster. So yes, this is awesome. Thank you.
Essentially.